Hey everyone, and welcome to another tech adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of humanoid robots with a very special guest, Apollo. This isn't just any robot, though. Abtronic, the company behind Apollo, is making serious waves with their vision for the future of robotics. They recently unveiled a mind-blowing demo showcasing Apollo's capabilities, and let me tell you, it's pretty darn impressive. Now, the video itself might remind you a bit of another recent humanoid robot demo, but fear not, because we're about to break down everything that makes Apollo unique. First things first, let's talk about the demo. Apollo wasn't just showing off its fancy hardware, it was also putting its acting skills to the test. The robot flawlessly imitated scenes from popular movies, showcasing its ability to adapt to different situations. But what truly sets Apollo apart is its human-like features. The designers made a conscious decision to give Apollo a face, something often missing in other humanoid robots. This might seem like a small detail, but it plays a big role in how people perceive the robot and, by extension, the company itself. While emotions might be out of the picture for now, this human touch goes a long way in making Apollo relatable and approachable. Now, you might be wondering, is this all just a fancy pre-programmed show? The answer is both yes and no. The demo did involve some rehearsal, but that doesn't diminish the impressive feat of Apollo's real-time responsiveness. Imagine a fully autonomous version of this. That's what truly has the potential to blow our minds. But enough about the robot, let's talk about the future. The CEO of Abtronic, Jeff Kadinis, has some fascinating predictions about where robotics is headed. Kadinis believes that a future with a personal humanoid robot in every home is not just a dream, it's an inevitability. He compares it to the widespread adoption of computers, suggesting that robots will follow a similar path, becoming a staple in our households at an affordable price point. Now, some might scoff at this idea, but when you consider advancements in AI, economies of scale, and the potential of artificial general intelligence, it doesn't seem so far-fetched. Imagine a world where robots handle the mundane tasks, freeing us up to pursue more fulfilling endeavors. Talk about an abundant future. Of course, with great advancements come great discussions. Fear of job displacement is a major concern with the rise of robots. But Kadinis offers a reassuring perspective. He envisions a future where robots collaborate with humans, taking over the repetitive and tedious tasks, allowing us to focus on innovation and more meaningful work. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing if robots could handle the grunt work in healthcare, freeing up nurses to provide even better care to patients? This collaboration between humans and robots is a key theme in Kadinis' vision, and it's something worth keeping in mind as we embrace this new era of technology. Now, here's the kicker. Is this all just hype, or are we on the verge of a robotic revolution? The truth is, nobody knows for sure. But one thing's for certain, the future of robotics is looking fascinating, and Apollo is at the forefront of it all. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities of robots like Apollo? Or are you worried about the potential impact on our jobs and society? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting tech adventures.